Maple syrup, nature's gift. Maple syrup is delicious and liquid gold. Have you tried it? It all begins with the beautiful and mighty maple tree. This is a maple tree forest in the early spring. In the early spring, sap begins to run through the maple tree. Farmers tap trees to get to the syrup. First, a hole is drilled into the maple tree. A tap is put into the hole and the sap drips into a bucket to be collected. The sap keeps dripping constantly, drop by drop. The sap from each tree is collected and brought to the sugar shack. In the sugar shack, the sap is boiled for hours. It takes 40 gallons of sap to make 1 gallon of syrup. Sap is boiled in an evaporator. This one is huge. You can put cooked syrup onto snow and make maple toffee. Finally, the syrup is bottled and sold. People love it. There you have it, everything about maple syrup. Liquid gold.